Hi, we've got our HotBlox cabinets here, and we have two different controllers. We have our basic analog controller, which is more cost effective, and today I'm going to focus in on our digital touchscreen controls and the added value you get when you upgrade to that system. Okay, so we still got this cabinet running. I'm going to turn it off for a second just to show you the full operation of the touchscreen. So that's the customer's power switch. You can see it's off right now. Wake it up here. See the screen's a nice color, nice vibrant touch screen, and it's packed with a ton of features for the customer. So the basics, obviously, I can set the temperature up or down. We had it 165. It's always going to show the current setting, and then the actual temperature in the cabinet. So it's at 164 degrees. The element's going to be on when it's trying to reach that set point. Other key thing that's of real value to the operator with this product is the humidity levels being displayed. So we're not controlling them, we're just displaying those humidity levels. Very important when I'm holding something like fried food or some sort of crispy food. Right now we got fried chicken in there. When we threw that in, it was probably 12–15% because of the humidity being given off by the food. We've got vents open, so that's evacuating the humidity. And we know it's at a nice level, 7% right now. That's going to generate nice crispy exterior on that chicken if that's what we want. A lot of other features you can see. I've got timers going right now. I've got quick buttons here for alarms, controller lock, and the timers that I can go to. I'm going to go through the settings to show you a little bit more what there is. So date and time, setting the alarms, real basic stuff. Temperature scale, if I want to go Fahrenheit or centigrade. We've got help training, different languages, the control lock, and then some info. So I'm going to focus a little bit on a few things here. Number one, the timers. So the timers, I have the choice. There's three of them, so I can have them count up like they were set for, or I can have them count down, and then I can set whatever time I want them to count down from. I could set, right now you can see one set for 4 minutes, one for 42, one for 4. And we can have them operate that way. I'm going to go back to count up, and we're going to apply. And when I'm on my home screen, now when I put a pan of food in there, first pan, I hit my timer, that's going to start to count up. And then the next one I can put in when I'm done. I take that pan out. All I got to do is touch it to deactivate it, and then it's ready for the next time I do that. We go back to the settings. Mentioned temperature scale, help and train. So this is a nice feature. This will go to this video, some other videos, user manuals, some tools for the customer. Just take my phone, scan that QR code. It'll go to a website and give you links to those videos. I want to go back here. Control lock. Like we said, I can hit apply. I can turn it on. I gotta enter my password. Like you see here, and then basically I have the ability to lock out certain attributes like just set points or the alarms and the timers or leave certain things active. So we can do that, and then the last feature here is going to be your USB. So USB's got a lot of different things. So we've got this USB module here. I can go in. I can save the settings from this machine and clone them to another one. I can load new settings on here. I can load new software. So if Metro ever does a software upgrade and we add features, you can add that to your cabinet later on. And then I can also use this data log to save the actual HACCP. It's a HACCP download, so it's recording temperature and humidity every 5 minutes. If we go back a level, one other feature that's in here is going to be this SW status. So that stands for single wire interface, and that's the different components of the controller. It's a modular system. So we have a relay that's turning elements on and off. We have a temperature and humidity sensor, and then the sound module. If any of those things are malfunctioning, you're going to have a red X there that's going to show you that's the issue with the system.